Good morning. I'm Lorri with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsey with Always Yarn First.
And this morning we are doing a Sock Yarn Society unboxing. So this is for October, and I'm like, this is my box.
It is.
This is my box.
I've already seen the color, so yes.
Yes, I let Lindsey hand select hers this time. And I want to tell you, I want to steal her skein.
I should have known it was a trap when she's like, do you like this one? I'm like, yeah, that one's great. And she's like, oh, but I like that one.
I know.
I'm like, you always pick mine. I wouldn't have cared. They're all gorgeous.
Yeah,
So,
it's going to be great.
Yeah,
it's going to be great. Yes.
All right, so here's the theme.
Yes, the name is Only Sweetly Creepy. So, it's only slightly creepy, but it's only sweetly creepy because pink is my favorite color, as y'all know, and around here Halloween is pink, so we decorate with pink pumpkins. I'm all about pink Halloween.
No.
Yeah.
So
The color is so delicious. I love it so much.
Okay, so here's the reason why I picked this one, why she wanted it, is because of this black right here.
It's true.
A lot of them don't have that much black.
That one is an anomaly. That particular one is an anomaly.
But look at the gray speckle right in there too. I
So
love
good. This one we did very, very delicate speckling on because I wanted the gray, the white, and the pink to really shine.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous.
All right.
Thank you.
So this one, there's definitely a theme here.
It is.
Pom-pom. Love it.
Yes.
And a pattern.
Yes. So this is the Queen Bee hat. I was a test knitter on this hat for Cheryl Ham from Hypnotic Yarn. And this time we added in her pattern because if you are not knitting this into a blanket, if you hold this yarn double, which she calls for fingering weight held double or DK, and so when I tested it, I held fingering weight double, and this is one of my most favorite hats that I've ever knitted, and I wanted to share that with y'all.
And so this is also for the hat, correct?
Yes. So what that is a little button. It goes on the inside of your it goes on the inside of your hat. And this is a non-sew pom-pom button.
Oh yeah, I see that.
So we included instructions on how to use it.
That's cool.
And then I had those made from, I had those buttons made for us from Sydney, from Sydney Fowler's Creations.
Oh, okay, yeah.
She is a regular here at our store, and as you know, I like supporting other small businesses, and so we get to support Sydney. And so that goes on the inside of your hat. You pull with a crochet hook. You go in through one of the slots, down through the other slot, and then you take the excess and you loop it back over the button, and it holds your pom-pom secure.
So it's easy to take out when you want to wash it.
Yes.
Yeah. And this can also go on your hat.
So that also goes on the hat, and it's going to be so cute with the color of the yarn.
It is. It's gorgeous. All right, so let's get into the regular extras. Pink pumpkin.
So
Adorable.
the state this time is Sweetly Creepy. So it's a creepy, odd.
It is an interesting
color. Yeah, the girls did it, and we wanted it to be sweetly creepy. So it goes, and then of course, I had to give y'all a pink pumpkin. I mean,
I saw those laying around a couple weeks ago when I was here, and I'm like, I'm gonna get one of those, right?
Yes, I love it. I want all of them. I didn't. I want to keep all of them.
I know.
I love them so much.
And of course, our tea is pumpkin.
Yes. So, we have to be in theme all the way through.
And if you guys like these teas, so we had a long discussion, a month or so ago, where I finally was busting these out and trying them and realized how delicious they are.
Because you're not a tea person.
I'm not a tea person. Now,
But you are now.
black teas are not my favorite. I am more of a white and green tea.
You like
girl,
an herbal tea.
with caffeine in it. So, but I tried a couple of different ones, and then I basically got with Jessa, and she ordered the ones I wanted to have in store, and I have been drinking them regularly. So
Yes.
I am now a tea person.
So we are trying that every month that we send you a flavor, we're trying to have the large size bags in stock on the shelves so that you can, if you like this flavor, you can order it. So we are carrying a lot of them. And then we're going to start putting a tea recipe. I think we should put a tea recipe in our newsletter so that people can cocktail. And I don't know if you know this or not, but a lot of people are doing teas as a mocktail. So it's just the craft of, you know, the funness of making a craft tea and making it into a mocktail so that you have something sassy to drink, but it's not necessarily alcoholic. I love it.
Something sassy to drink.
Yes.
Okay. So I was just telling Lorri, so last month I did the unboxing by myself. She was on vacation.
She was whining. She really wasn't whining about
Well, and then like the 2 months before that, because we had like upcoming yarn crawl, and then we had upcoming retreats. So
It's
like
been
the
a
videos have been
crazy time.
pretty short. So we haven't talked about our blankets in a while.
Y'all, I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, I'm behind. I know you're not surprised, but I am.
Well, okay, so the last video I did by myself, I briefly mentioned my tale of woe, how I was 4 months behind, and
She cricked in high gear.
It was not to my credit at all. But I was behind, and I didn't like how it was looking. It wasn't how I imagined in my head.
She wasn't feeling her mojo.
And I had
Because of that.
mentioned on my podcast, I had put out there, like, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's too late in the year to start a new blanket. And my awesome friend, Allison, who is solely
She's
a
so
crocheter.
precious.
She is solely
So
a crocheter.
precious.
So you think of you just knit and you knit fast and all the time. That's her with crochet. So she offered to help me out. And girl,
Allison saved the day.
she
Actually,
totally,
the year.
She totally saved it. I am completely caught up because of Allison, not because of me. Look at how good this looks.
It looks so pretty.
This is exactly how I imagined it. Remember, like, when I crochet it, it's all kind of like janky looking.
I love it.
She redid the borders for me. That was the problem. The borders were not looking right, and I was following the pattern, and she agreed. She's like, yeah, I wouldn't do that. So, and then she seamed them all together. So
It's beautiful.
It's stunning. So now I just have to keep up with the next 3 months. And then I'm going to go back to her and be like, okay, I want to do seaming and steaming with you because she did a remarkable job. And then I'll have an outside border at the end.
I was just looking at mine, and I'm thinking, isn't...
These two, when I gave her these, I still had like 4 more left. So I'd given her all of these. She seamed them up. And then I had done one, so I gave her this one, which is June.
That's June.
So I gave her that one. Then I gave her these 3, but I forgot to tell her what order they were in. So these 2 are actually mixed up if you have an eagle eye like Lorri. So this is July, so that's correct. No, this is July.
Yes.
Because that was the Dragon Horde month.
Yes.
So July, August, September. So these
So
two.
I was just thinking because I'm about to show y'all my blanket.
Yeah.
And I have the next color caked, which is this one.
No,
and
these
then
two are mixed up.
Okay.
But it looks so good, and I'm not gonna touch it.
Oh, I don't think you should. I like it too.
So, but yeah, these 2 are in the wrong order, and that was on me because I'd given her and then realized, oh, I had not told her which month was which.
I like it. I think it looks really good there.
I think it looks great with the blue between. I think it's going really good with all the colors.
Okay, y'all. So I am in the middle of an increase row, and but this is my blanket, and I am so in love with it. I have this much left of the June colorway, and then it's going to fade into this. So what I'm doing is I'm obviously holding this double, and then I will drop one of the strands and I will pick up one of these. And then I'll knit a couple rows, and then I will pick up both strands of this one again, knit a row, and then pick up another one of these, and then I will go into two of these and drop the June color all together. So I've just been fluctuating back and forth, and I do it at random because I really want it to be very, I want it to be very whimsical looking. But look, I'm like so, and this is going to grow when we block it out because I want this to be,
I can't tell right now.
this is very wide. It's a long blanket.
I was going to say, would you say it's a wide load?
Possibly. I'm in love with it.
It's
This is
awesome.
this is the pattern that I'm designing, and it's called Wave to the Fans. I cannot be more in love with the way this
Yeah.
looks. As y'all know, all of it's going into my blanket, so everything's going to be fading nicely with each other. So I'm super excited about
Yeah.
it. I am behind, so I'm going to work on getting it caught up, and I'm just like in love with it. I'm in love with it.
That seems like perfect TV knitting.
It is. The only row that you really have to pay attention to is row 1 when you're doing the feather and fan pattern, and mine's a little bit different because we have a different number stitch count for those for that pattern, and so I love it though. I
Yeah.
love it.
It's gorgeous.
It's super pretty. I've been showing pictures of it on social media, and I always get so many private messages saying, when can we buy the pattern? When can we buy the pattern? And it is in test knitting right now, and it will be available in January. That's what I'm going to say. It's just going to be available in January. So, or December.
I definitely want to make
January.
one.
I am in love with it, and then I'm just delighted with the way it turned out. I really am.
Yeah.
So anyway, super excited. The November box is gonna be shipping in the morning's mail. October box. I'm like trying
what?
to rush. I've been like rushing through months. They've been.
Don't feel too bad for her. She's about ready to leave for another 2 weeks of vacation. So
Look how tan I am.
she all good.
Yeah, I'm excited. Anyway, that box is shipping out in the morning, and it is so beautiful. I love everything
Yeah.
about it.
It's yeah.
I love it.
That is your color.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
this
It's
is my
good.
perfect
It's
color
good.
combination right here.
It's good.
So, and this pink, I love this pink. So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we're so happy that you joined us. Thank you so much. If you're getting the Sock Yarn Society, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I enjoy putting
Yeah.
it together for you. Anna is my dyeing companion, and I literally can't dye yarn without Anna anymore because she's just like right next to me every step of the way, and she anticipates my every need, and she's the best dyeing assistant I've ever had, and which, not like I've had a whole bunch, but I can't imagine dyeing yarn without Anna.
Yeah.
I love her so much. And so we work super hard. Jessica puts all of these little cards together. And then Luann, y'all haven't met Luann yet, so I'll try to get some pictures of her for y'all. But Luann assembles the majority of these packages together, and this time I put these together, but usually Luann is the one that's putting our stitch markers together. So we have a very tight-knit team, along with Lindsey is also part of our team. So we work really hard to put something nice together for you. So I'm looking forward to the November box. It's going to be fun too. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. And we will probably be opening it up for new subscribers probably maybe November, December. Right now, it is not open to new members, so
Okay.
we open and close it. So
Yeah.
anyway, so happy that you're a part of our Arkansas Yarn Co. family and community, and we appreciate having you.
Yeah. And we're glad to be back together.
Yes, I
So-
know. I missed this.
All
It's
right.
fun. All right. Well, y'all have a really great day, and thank you for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon.
See you next month.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.